I'm starting the class with question number 8. Question number 8, what is given? A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube, and also find the ratio of their surfaces? Very important and very interesting sums. One cube is there, that is having length 8 centimeter, having length 12 centimeter, having length 12 centimeter. Now when this type of questions will be given, the 8 cubes are made from one sphere, 8 cubes made from one cylinder, then this sum is related to volume. Okay, by melting or any other process, this cube, from this cube made 8 smaller cubes. 8 smaller cubes. Okay, so that smaller cubes are the smaller cubes are the new cube. Okay, we have to find side of the new cube, and surface ratio of the surface area. Okay, first of all, and Kinjal, check it and submit it quickly. First of all, the question is clear to you or not? A larger cube is there who's having edge or side 12 centimeter. From that cube, 8 smaller cube are made, and we have to find the side of the smaller cube of equal volume. That each 8 cubes are formed, and each of them have equal volume. Now we have to find the side of the smaller cube as well as ratio of the surface area. Okay, the question is clear to you, yes or no? Otherwise I will explain it more. Okay, yes sir. So one thing, students, that is 9 maths, exercise 13.5, question number 8. One thing, students, that side of the cube, that is 12 centimeter. Now every one of you tell me the volume, formula of the volume of cube. Tell me in the chat box quickly. Side cube, very good. Who have answered? Ronit Dotto, Rajonna, Amrita, A cube, okay. Arpit and Samrat, okay. Samrat, very good, well done. And last one, who is typing now? Abhinandan, okay. Side cube, very good. Okay, very good. That side cube. So as it is side cube, so 12 cube, and unit will be centimeter cube. Tell me, that is 12 into 12, 144. 144 into 12, what will be the value? 1728. 1728 centimeter cube. Got it, everyone? Yes, centimeter cube. Now that is the larger cube. Now what is the surface area? What is the, first of all, tell me in the chat box, what is the surface area? In the chat box quickly, formula. Surface area, 6 side square. Okay, 6 side square or 6a square. Some of you have written that side a cube. Okay, 6a square or 6 into side square. So 6 into side means 12 square. 6 into 144. 6 into 144. What will be the value? Tell me. 144, 6 into 144. I think, okay, we have to find the ratio. Just Keep it in that form. Keep it in that form, that is centimeter square. Okay, no need to multiplication. So surface area is 6 into 144 centimeter square. Now question is, from the larger cube, 8 small new cube have been made, and each of them have same volume. Okay, now one thing, students, so it is clear that sum of the volume of 8 cube should be equal to the volume of that cube. Yes or no? Tell me. That 8 cubes are made. Okay, 8 cubes are made. Sum of that volume of that 8 cubes should be equal to the volume of that cube, and each cube are equal volume. So I am taking here, let volume, side of new cube equal to a centimeter. As a centimeter, volume will be a cube. One new cube volume will be a cube, and what will be the sum of the volume of each cube? 8 cubes, that is 8 a cube. Am I right? Is it clear? Why it is 8 a cube? 8 a cube means sum of the volume of 8 cube. It is clear? Yes or no? Tell me quickly. And that 8 cube means sum of the volume of 8 cube equal to the volume of that larger cube. So according to the questions, 8 cube equal to 1728. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Quickly answer it. So 8 a cube equal to 1728 by 8. 1728, that is 216. A cube equal to 216. What will be the value of A? That is 216 means 6 into 6 into 6. So A equal to 6. That new smaller cube have side 6 centimeter. The new smaller cube have side 6 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Quickly, Amrita. Yes. Okay. Now, each smaller cube have volume side 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then, what will be the surface area? What will be the surface area? Quickly answer it. Surface area 6 into a square, that is 216. Yes, 216 centimeter square. 216 centimeter square. Now I am doing the remaining part here. So first questions are, what will be the side of new cube? That is 8 centimeter. And next question, what is the ratio of surface area of each cube? So surface area of bigger cube by surface area of new cube equal to, what will be? Solve it quickly. Solve the rest part quickly. Solve the rest part quickly. Four is to 1. Okay. So surface area big that is 6 into 144, and here 6 into 6 square means 36. 6 into that is 6 remove, and 144 by 36. So that is 4 by 1. So answer is 4 is to 1. Answer is 4 is to 1. Okay. That sum is very much interesting and important sums. Okay. It is clear to all of you? It is clear to all of you. Just I am trying to make you understand as per my level. Okay. Abhinandan, Krinjal, Orpit, Amrita, Ronit Datto. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Now move on the next sum, that is question number 9.